Oh, just when I've cleared one lot of stuff, the next lot arrives. Been up to the secret squirrel place again. You ain't seen me, right? Got 2 cages of flat screen monitors. Now, I'm hoping they're going to be really good high-res monitors. The trouble is, they've got no stands. So, and I hope they're working, because it would be such a shame if they're all scrap. I took a gamble here by accepting it. I'll have a look, we'll take some of those out. Also, just have this. I think you can just about see that. This has just come in. It's an Apple. You know what we think about fruit-based products. Let's have a bit of a closer look. Oh, what is it? It's a... Oh! It's a Power Macintosh G4. One of you people will know that. Let's take the side off, have a look at that. So let's see if I can break into this cage without everything falling down. Ooh. Oh dear. Right. What we got here? That looks alright, doesn't it? It is a 22-inch HP ProDisplay P221. Question is, does it work? VGA, DVI. Got no stand, but it's got a standard Visa on it. You know what? We'll just try one of these. Oh, I think it's all right. We'll have a look at it. It's a goer. It's a goer. This one. Right, let's see what... Have I got a mouse? Where's my mouse? There it is. See what res this is. Ooh. Oh my God, nice. Oh, it's a full HD panel. Oh, full HD panel. Brilliant. I got no stands. I've promised some people that I've got some monitors coming in this week, some customers, for their little gaming systems, and that would be ideal. Full HD panel. I know they're not HDMI. There might well be some other HDMIs in here. The DVI and VGAs. Now it looks like there's got to be 30 maybe 40 of those maybe, and another load of the smaller size ones, 22 inch, 21 inch, 20 inch maybe. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do now. Got no stands. Well, that's the guts of it inside. It's got what's this? Oh dear. PC 100 322. God, it's old, isn't it? It's old. Well, that's for sure. We know that much. Old as the hills. Oh, we're not Apple people, but someone will like that. I don't know what I'm looking at. What's that? Oh, it's an ATI something. Well, someone will have a play with that. Okay, it's next morning. Very, very cold again. Got the heating on, so if you can hear it buzzing away in the background. That's the way it is. Now going back to the monitors, these HP monitors with these brackets on the back. Some of them have got brackets and some of them haven't, and I need to sort of bracket out. So I've got a plan. The plan is to use the bracket from one of these old HP 19-inch stands. It's got standard 100mm Visa on the back, so I'm going to take that off, put on one of those that hasn't got a bracket on, and we'll just see how it handles it. Should be alright. I mean, it's not going to be great, but you know, I've got what I've got, haven't I? Screwdriver. Well, that looks all right, doesn't it? That looks all right. Yeah, I think that's okay. Does it rotate? Oh, how about that? How about that? Hey, that's all right. Right, that's one. I think it'd be better on here than that old 19-inch 4x3. I've hit a problem. I've only got one of them. I've only got one of those stands. So this is the only one. Oh, I need some more, don't I? Yeah. Right, you're on, Steve.
Cool.
Right. Got a new volunteer now, Steve. Steve has been with us for about a month. First time on camera. Say hello to YouTube.
Hi YouTubers.
Right, we're doing some monitor testing now. I'm kind of getting buried in it really. Not really sure where to begin. So what we need to do, Steve, is do a PAT test, portable appliance test, do a VGA test, and I've cleared some space outside on the outside. I'll show you that. Right, I've cleared a rack off, so we've got 3 shelves. So I'm going to test them. All the working ones that go out here. We'll work through that. I desperately need some space, so that's where they are going to go. Okay, so this is a little tutorial on a portable appliance tech. It's an electrical safety test. So the idea is that this, Steve, goes into your normal socket there. That probe goes onto a metal surface. I usually use the VGA port. Press the on button and then press the class 1 button. Oh, skip. You see it says skip.
Yep.
That's relating to that button there. Okay, we have a pass. And I'm using the Martindale HandyPAT HPAT 500. Alright Steve, so if you want to grab that monitor now, and then we'll do a VGA test. Yep. It's just a basic monitor test on our test rig. So is that running? Yeah, test rig is running. So stick it on the deck here, Steve.
There we go.
There we are. So that is a 22-inch HP ProServe P221 in excellent working order. If you're enjoying watching us old duffers muck about with tech again today, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a like, leave some comments in the section below. Check out our Facebook page. There it is right there, look. That Power Macintosh has got a quantum fireball, 10 gigabytes in there. Now it does spin, but I can't get a read on it. I've been using a USB to SATA adapter onto my wiping rig, USB on the end there, but that's not working. I've also tried a USB 3 one. I can't get that to work, so I'm a bit of a loss. I'd really like to try and wipe this one because that's the original one that came with that Macintosh. Good news, because I'm standing in the cage. It got down the bottom. That was a lot of work. Anyway, let's have a look outside at our good work. Alright, what have we got then, Steve?
Lots and lots of monitors.
There's 15 per shelf. So that's 45 plus 5 on the bottom. So that's 50 monitors in one cage. That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it is,
All good working monitors. Full HD, really nice screen res on there, super sharp. Just need some stands for those, but we've still got this great big cage to go. So I think that's going to have to be another job for another day then, Steve, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Oh well, so there we are, onwards. Just arrived in the workshop. A bag of AirFit P10s. Oh, what are they? Nasal pillow system for her. Are they? No, they're not. They're batteries. Big Andy just brought these in. So they're standard AA batteries. They've come out of heart monitor machines. So the idea is I go through and test all these, and if the voltage is above sort of 1.3, that'll be good for a bit. So that's another thing that comes in on an occasional basis. Oh, I'm absolutely knackered getting through all their monitors today. That has been really, really busy, but some really good stuff. Now, good news, I was able to wipe the Quantum Fireball 10 gigabytes. That has got a secure wipe on it, so that's going back in its original case. So that's going to be all right. One thing I didn't really realise the first time I looked at this is that the motherboard is on the door. I didn't really think that was significant at the time, but it is. I've been watching a video on YouTube about the G4, so may do a bit more video on that at another time. Oh, I'm knackered today doing all that lot. Gonna have to do this lot tomorrow, another day. Hopefully Steve's in. Do you know what? I just had a phone call. I've got a whole shed load of stuff coming in tomorrow. Don't know what it is, but we're going to be absolutely rammed. Bernie! Just as when I cleared the decks, Paul from Wise Employment has just been in. He's left me with about 20 PCs and 6 boxes of random tech. Won't be going through that today. That is the source of another video. See you next time. Jurassicom Productions. Try turning it off and on again.